Clear, baby.
Yes. Yeah, but overall, install complete. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to yet another video. CV1 in for some clear reflectors. If you guys haven't checked it out, check out the build on the channel. He does have the clear, I'm gonna drop the link on it because I don't know exact details for the taillights, but these are not the original ones anymore, and it definitely changes up the whole look. What we're gonna be tackling on today is this reflector down here. We got the clear ones. We'll give you guys a quick debrief on how they look and then the installation process. All right, bro, let the people know who we're working with today. Drop this IG down below, give them a follow. Repping the natives decal support banner. But most importantly today, these clears, y'all. Straight from XGen Auto. Hopefully in the future, you know, we're not sponsored right now. Hopefully in the future we are though. But you get 2 reflectors and your 2 wiring harnesses. Like I said, plug and play. So this should be a rather easy install. Taking out the amber reflectors and swapping them out for these clear ones. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so we're gonna put these to the side right now. Now, if you guys are not subscribed to the channel, what do they gotta do?
Like, subscribe, come on.
Come on, y'all, show some love, because we love you guys. And we are gonna get straight into this install. Let's get it. All right, so first things first, we're gonna pop off these little tabs. 2 8mm on that headlight. Another 2 8mm right here. We'll be jumping to these 2 bolts. They are hex, I believe they're 8mm. I'm gonna take those off. After that, we're gonna work to the side corners. First tail light is out. Boy, I got a Charlotte's Web up in there. What are these again, bro?
V8. I think it's V8 OEM clear taillights. These are cool.
Okay.
Little come up, little quick come up.
Quick come up. He is trying to aim for the OEM clears. All right, next thing's next. Go to your corners. There's 1 bolt tucked in right there. This one right here. And then there's this one down here. This one right here. We have an extra bolt just because we got the aftermarket spats. So we're gonna, that comes together. So just these 2 right here. And then that one tucked inside down here. All right, you guys see the ratchet driver putting in work. Same thing on the other side, and then we work our way to the bottom. All 3 bolts are out. What I didn't demonstrate on the other side, literally just slowly pop it out. These are all clips. Clip right here, and then these clips right here. Literally all pops out. We have everything off on the top. Now we just gotta go to the bottom. All right, y'all, we got technician Johnson in the house putting in that work. A bit dusty. That's what you get when you work on your whip. But 3 clips. 1, 2, 3. Where is it? 3. So these 3. And then that's on the passenger side, 3 on the driver's side. So apart from the 3 clips on the bottom, there is 1 clip under the actual splash guard. Grab a flathead, pop it out. You can pull the bumper off and slap these on. So once most of the stuff's off, bolts, front or top, side, clips on the bottom, I recommend getting a second hand. That way when you clip off the bumper, you slowly work your way out. There you go. You got it? There you go. All right, y'all.
Yeah.
That's pretty much how you pop it off. So now you can take the old ones off, clean this up a bit, and install the clear reflectors to replace these amber ones. All right, y'all. So bumper's off. We're gonna take those off, replace them with these that are actually wired. And with the actual kit, plug and play kit, this hooks up to your harness, and then this end hooks up to your actual reflectors. So I believe they're also sequential. So y'all stay tuned on this. 3 Phillips, 1 right here, 1 right here, these right here. All right, once all 3 are off, it should just pop off like so. Drastic difference, you guys. And the beautiful thing about this is it's gonna go perfectly with the white and with the clear taillights on the rear end. So everything in the back is gonna be basically cleared out. Just like that. Fresh. All right, so both reflectors are on. Only thing left now, when the kit comes provided, there are 2 wires that are not connected. You guys can see a blue one right here, and there's a green one that's not connected. You basically choose your color. So blue is red, and then green is yellow. We did green on this one, so in turn it's going to be a yellow turn signal. We're going to show you guys exactly how to pin it and unpin it if you decide you don't like the color and you want to do a different one.
Holy shit.
All right, you guys, so quick demonstration. Tell me that does not like fire. So that being said, we're going to demonstrate to you guys the actual 2 different color codes. This one's already pinned for yellow. I'm going to pin this one with the blue wire, which should make this one red. And then, you guys can decide on which one you guys want to go with. And then I'll show you guys how to depin it in case, you want to switch it up later on in the future or whatever it may be. But once you actually have everything ready, this is the actual harness right here. You guys can see we already plugged this one in. It's literally plug and play. Only goes in one way. Plug that in. I'm gonna plug that one in real quick. It only goes in one way. You'll hear a click. Passenger side, like I said, we're gonna pin this one blue just to show you guys an idea. So there are 3 pins that are already provided. Your blue one, you literally just slide it into the open slot and you're gonna see it come out through here. Guide it through, look at it. You see that? Pinned in. Now, if you don't want this color and you wanna unpin it, all you gotta do is just push this down and then it slides out. So, quick demonstration. We're gonna pin this one back in and then we're gonna plug it in and show you guys. That way you guys can get an idea of which one you guys prefer. And then, wiring harness, plug it in, only goes in one way. Now for the show. All right, guys, so moment of truth. Startup, look at that. Strobed up light. Go ahead. Left turn signal. So you guys see that? Yellow. Let's go right. All right, that's the right one. If you guys can see, that is red. Hopefully the camera picks it up. Left turn signal is more yellow. All right, hit us with the emergencies. All right, you guys. So there you guys have it. Pick your poison, you know. So we're gonna be de-pinning this and plugging in the green wire so we can get both sides of this with yellow reflectors in the back. Okay, so like I said, took the blue off, pinned up the green one. So now we both have yellow on both sides. Plug these back in and we're good to go. Only thing left now, slap on the bumper. All right, so now that everything's plugged back together, taillights are the only thing left to be installed. We're probably gonna zip tie the extra wiring from the extra reflector, just so it's not, you know, free play running around and everything. And the extra pin, I'm gonna put some electrical tape on that, both sides. All right, so once the zip tie is on, electrical tape's put on. Before you bolt everything down, you always wanna check, make sure everything works. So I'm gonna plug the taillights back in, harness and everything, and then we're gonna see if the taillights are running properly with the reflectors. After that, just bolts everything back on and we should be good to go. Yo, so moment of truth, headlights plugged in, not bolted up yet, but oh yeah, look at that reflector, look at those headlights go. Look at that, perfectly matched, perfectly paired. All right, yo, moment of truth, pulling out the whip. The real piece of resistance is in the rear, but I mean, still, take a look at this build. Crazy to think this thing was stuck when we started with it, and look at it now. All right, some words from the owner himself. What do you think? What do you think?
We're gonna find out. Oh,
That is tough. Full clears in the rear. Tell me that does not go crazy, you guys. Let us know.
oh yeah.
That's a game changer right there. The yellow, I personally like the yellow over the red, but fitment too is like on point, you guys. Like plug and play, bolts right on, zero gap. Hey, X-Gen Auto, or what is it?
X-Gen Auto, yeah.
Yeah, sponsors, man.
Sponsors.
Putting good reviews on you guys' products and all that stuff. Overall, I mean, install was not that difficult. Obviously, you know, it just takes some time to take the bumper off.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, but overall, install complete. Rear end is getting there, you guys. Little by little, piece by piece. All right, you guys, one last look at it. Sequential clear V1 reflectors with the clear tail lights. Drop a comment, let us know what you guys think about the install, what you guys think about the end result. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the install. Check them out on the IG. Check out the natives page on the IG. More videos to come. That being said, though, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic, y'all. Until the next one. Peace.